And rip a pack of 1989-90 NBA hoops. Let's see if we can find a Jordan or a Robinson. Maybe. We'll see. Probably not. Sidney Green, the Knicks. John Sunvolt of the Heat. Tyrone Corbin. Will Perdue, MJ's teammate. Roy Tarpley. Larry Smith. Larry Nance. Winner of the dunk contest, did a dunk with 2 basketballs. Kenny the Jet Smith, TNT. Jim Paxson. Tim McCormick. Karl Malone, running out of opportunities here. Michael Williams. Willie Anderson. Buck Williams. And Dale Ellis. Sonics card, not even around anymore. 89-90 hoops.